Citizenship terminology. Citizenship. Citizenship is the particular legal bond between an individual and his or her state, acquired by birth or naturalization, either by declaration, choice, marriage, or other means under national legislation. Citizenship is about the rights and responsibilities that define a person's place in society. By extension, one who owes allegiance to and may lawfully demand protection from the government of that state. In modern day practice, citizenship does not necessarily involve the right of voting or of other participation in political activity. Minors may be citizens, but they may also be excluded from all direct political activity. Active citizenship. Involvement and informed participation in the civic and political activities of society at local, state, national, regional, and global levels. It contrasts with passive citizenship, where citizens participate only minimally to meet their basic individual responsibilities, including voting and paying taxes. National and nationality. Nationality is a condition or status of belonging to or having legal identity with a nation or state. A person who has the nationality of a country X is a national of country X. Most countries' nationals have automatic, unrestricted rights to reside in that country. The nationality of a person is their identity in international law as belonging to a certain state. Domicile. The place where one has a permanent residence. Domicile is a legal construct used to determine where you vote, file lawsuits, pay taxes, claim benefits, and oblige governmental authority. Dual citizenship. Dual citizenship refers to a person who is legally recognized as a citizen in two countries at the same time. Each country has its own nationality laws based on its own policy. Persons may have dual nationality by automatic operation of different laws rather than by choice. Many countries do not accept dual citizenship. However, few countries allow dual citizenship under certain conditions. Citizenship by registration. Persons of Indian origin who are ordinarily resident in India for 7 years before making application. Persons who are married to a citizen of India and who are ordinarily resident in India for 7 years. Persons of Indian origin who are ordinarily resident in any country or place outside undivided India. Minor children whose both parents are Indian citizens. Citizenship by naturalization. Citizenship of India by naturalization can be acquired by a foreigner, not being an illegal migrant, who is ordinarily resident in India for 12 years, throughout the period of 12 months immediately preceding the date of application and for 11 years in the aggregate in the 14 years preceding the 12 months, and fulfills other qualifications as specified in the third schedule to the Act 1955. Overseas citizen of India. The Constitution of India prevents Indian citizens from holding dual citizenship. As such, the OCI is not actual citizenship of India according to Indian law, as it has many limitations such as no right to vote, no right to hold constitutional offices, and no right to buy agricultural properties. However, overseas citizenship of India allows a holder multiple entry, multi-purpose lifelong visa to visit India, exemption from foreigner registration requirements for any length of stay in India, and parity with non-resident Indians in financial, economic, and educational fields, except in the acquisition of agricultural or plantation properties. Nationals of Pakistan and Bangladesh are not eligible for overseas citizen of India. Citizenship by incorporation of territory. If any territory becomes a part of India, the central government may, by order notified in the official gazette, specify the persons who shall be citizens of India by reason of their connection with that territory, and those persons shall be citizens of India from the date to be specified in the order. Citizen under this section was issued by the Government of India to the people living in Pondicherry, now Puducherry, after acquiring it from the French government in 1962. Another example is when India acquired Goa, Daman and Diu were taken over by the Government of India from the Portuguese colony in 1961 and Sikkim in 1975. All persons who were citizens of those said territories were granted citizenship of India.